Hi, so we're gonna show you how to make the handle of the cook slab. And this is cold rolled steel, so it's got a little bit of rust and debris on it. And I first have these long lengths and they're gonna be turned into the cook slab handle, but I first have to sand it down. So now that I have the lengths of steel cut, I'm going to cut them to lengths. Now the next step is sanding down the ends so that they're square, and then I'm going to put a little bit of bevel on them, and then I'm going to finish them over here. Okay, so the next step is to bend these pieces of metal in half, and I've set up this to do just that. Okay, and there we have it. Okay, so now that we have our bent piece, I'm going to put it in my jig. There we have it. We're going to be ready for welding at the last step. Last step, we're going to weld this together.